teacher for ene omo ye demonstration ewo Accra. Teacher for a demonstration wa Accra ene. Na omo asem ni say omo say 2023 batch no. Omo say omo wie school. Omo aye omo service wie. Omo aye omo service wie no match licensure exam no so. Licensure exam no so omo pass fe. Enti ni aka ne say aban beji omo ewo dwumem. Yes sir. Per agreement no. Enti last year 2025 they became a fit to be employed. So I mean this year ankasa. So they were expecting say 2026 next year budget no ba no there will be clearance for them to be employed. Unfortunately for them no midofwa dada me budget e no they are saying say omu niska omu di be recruit obia into we teacher ni enti a teacher for na ene omu ko demonstration. Now omu ye demonstration no minim na omu dwen. Na omu dwen say Ghana for ye be support omu in the demonstration ana. Hey. Yen so ko asem so biomo. Hwe. Missing nipa mienu a e wo krom ha. Omu asem ba. Here the yen kan biamo, yen kan bi mo omu. Number 1 nurses, number 2 teachers. Whether you were part or not, we will not even come and even say oh we do mo pacho. Debi. Now we walk to abafua. You want to come and get work so that you will forget. If you get work, you start getting some small coin, you will forget the pain that you have gone through. And that forgetfulness, His Excellency Mahama has spoken about, it will still be at work. But say, come do sa 2028. Come do sa 2028. And you be make catch say you have to reason up and go and vote for MPP. Assembly I catch a teacher for. I catch them say government we aban we Jomama yaw 3 years comfort me straight there was school. Yeah, ma 3 months salary. Teacher for now mu bisa chalk. Ministry of Education. See, omu amut mi fa mu bottom sika ko to chalk and amu tina we. And Jomahama. Akufo-Addo came. He say omu use blackboard bio, a whiteboard with marker. Nipa want me and touch amamo, bet me to marker amamo. We said all these ones, and you have come. You were singing Alawanu Yajinsu Yen too. Okay, no problem. Moitina Sumuntu, no problem. Say, trainees no more school ni mono. Omu de omenya second independence ewie. Esan say na Akufo-Addo mo amudu animi enu a day. Mama buy no say there be me the miniska. Mema 2 meals a day. Ti mema meals baku one day. Some meals baku mpo no enam ne so. Wa we hu videos na utimi hu say enam ne so. Ento omudi o maye din omuni so ombe de dia. Asema ya be catch ro no. An hwe ya ombe so. Enti teacher trainings o maye din. Nurses for so many independence, second independence no kwen has happened to them. So maye din. I don't know which kind of confidence this group of people who demonstrated today have. They are very confident, but that confidence will flow very soon. Because obi demonstration bia say John Mahama aban e mani jumano yes you be counter demonstration so in support of the government. Say man government in ma obi juma. Some of the people are telling our good teachers say mun forget about teaching. Mun ko pen kuko nkitin no. Mun ko pen kuko nkitin no. Number 2, the solution in say, wow we teacher ni bia. You see next year under big push. Eye pongpo jumano. Construction work pongpo. Ye be ya akwan bebre o manwe. And wow community we teacher ni degree holding teacher bia no. Get your headpan ready. Dodu is laughing. Get your headpan ready. We a teacher Nibiano. Get your headpan ready. That is the work government has for you. Number 3, you see a Greek palm nut plantation. Abe plantation next year. Abe recruiting pa 200,000. And while we a teacher ni, while we a nurse, wait for next year. You are going to work in Abe plantation. and the demonstration ben bi na mo ye mo demonstrate ma den yes take pon wo ho na esie pon ekwadwuma so yin say ekwadwuma e bad o but you see why o man no spend sika wo so training wo say we teacher ni we nurse ni no there be untimi yes adwuma na esie adwuma betima ye ni say wo be ye plantation permanent plantation assistant. They say you were prison assistant, police assistant, and all the and to who be then permanent assistant, permanent farm assistant, and they will pay you around 800 cedis. And you remember almost they say about 600,000 pongpo jobs. I say 500,000 pongpo jobs. And the obia so now 2023 batch of teachers now me saying me do saying some me be ache ma do swa be 50,000 and yes 50,000 and I work abanu be maye be ma mo pongpo juma be 500,000 e be cover mu kra. And this demonstration by the teachers there media don't support it. A premature, a uncalled for, a unnecessary, a complete waste of our time, a complete waste of our attention. Yes, so sukra, no teacher should be allowed to demonstrate. And tell me the pastor and now Amoko ministry honomono, they did not get Haruna Idrisu to come and even attend to them. Amoko hono na a PRO of the Ministry of Education, they sent to come and take their petition. And they were crying there, say, we don't want PRO, we want Haruna Idrisu. Haruna Idrisu did not even have their time. Did not mind them. And it's good he did not mind them. Adentia, as I said, Pongpo Juma or Homa next year. And any permanent farming plantation assistant Juma Homa next year. And what job are you looking for? Why are you disturbing the government? Don't disturb the government. Stop disturbing the government. Hashtag stop disturbing the peace of John Mahama. Sika niho entina yema workers 9%. Now and conform with presidential staffers on there or more 67%. Yes, there na more opting for. And no one should dare even want to even talk about yen Kwen government. This Kwen government is the best. Is the best among the rest. It was this Fourth Republic Mudia. Abain bia amba to say Kwen abain. Now abain we abansunu a abain that is coming to give us the jobs. What are the jobs? The jobs are going to be Pongpo Jumano, any permanent plantation assistant. It is a teacher for man sharing musuye. Now obi some dear demonstration bioma. Eba boom to bia. Eba shumo. Nobody should dare again go and do demonstration. Say, omu pejuma. Ade pongpo no yen nipa na ye. Se nipa na ye. And to so also pejuma pongpo homo na esie. Se mi sumet na ye pongpo so bet mi aye. Enye sa. And to ukoto about fun we a ube demonstrate say government should employ you. Say government cry employ teachers na esie kra nka ye be demonstration ti aban no. Say government employ teacher ni bakumpo next year. Ye be demonstration at your government. Ye nyina ye be yes akpongpo juma no under the big push agenda. Say 500,000 pongpo head pan people. Say asan we will move to what? Permanent plantation assistant. Say no so san we will move to nkoko nkitinkiti. That is what we are coming to do throughout next year. Kwen aban papa aba. No. Situation of unemployed teachers and then on hit the street. Eddie Nibre, I hit the street. I can send the brain. Now, I was almost some no Makano Areho. And nay, a mabuni ball man penny Mahama John voice be, and I have it. If there's me body throw, if there's me bo edit throw. When Oman Penny Mahama John was in opposition. Ninsem bia wakaye ema ne to mabunu ni team na omu eto aba edema no take and watch.
And our teachers, we're not going to wait until election year before we open the employment portal. It will be open every year and we'll continue to employ every year. Every year we'll keep employing and filling up the gap every year instead of a government that waits till it's time for elections, then they say the employment portal is open. No, NDC is not that.
Yeah, no, and Mabunu, one more year school at Tifie, na backlog ni go, and no my hit street tables. I say, what catches automatic placement, any day cake and one yada. What has happened to it? Call demonstration because in the budget, who be a say there is hope for them in 2026. So these are some of the assignments. Please take and watch.
We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers.
If you don't need teachers, I am saying that having a duty to close down colleges of education, if you can repeat that, so that in the next year we will have this demonstration here again. Close down colleges of education. When you need teachers, then you won't be
but Emabuna Mutifia Munya Jumanya, Mumani Yam because Omampeni Mahama John once said, Honey, it was can say, Nana war can say ya, a man in young one. But me, dear Hamilton say, Emabunia real school etifie. Yes, yes, you can't tell Mukent, yam for Womujuma. Now, so yenye 294 million Ghana cedis. See a fanko top part, MH. Yafa almost 1.2 billion. See the Kwakoto presidential jets. Ebrekwa ebiwa yes ediaba. Yenye sikan fentia mebunu weka. Now, so ya 2 presidential staffers for aketium 67%. Yaso so yenye sika entia nes ninika. Hey. Omaya mo catches some a single digit inflation. Mo catches a city about 9.something%. Or mine the year. Sika some say air cost the was a econo. Eti yem from unsia gongo. And look at what you are doing. Hey, you cannot bang your hope on NDC in any day because we know them. We know their track record and we know what they can do. This is Ghana must know.
Mr.
Speaker, to tell me that I'm not right, it's also not regular.
Order.
Please listen to her in silence.
Honourable members, order.
Why?
Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity to contribute to the debate on the 2026 budget statement and economic policy of the government delivered by the Honorable Minister, Dr. Atuforsen. Mr. Speaker, the agricultural sector remains the backbone of the economy and our lifeline for many million Ghanaian households. As the Speaker, as the Minister rightly said, the agricultural sector has recorded.
Honorable Majority Chief Whip, you have no right to ask the member to stop talking.
Mr. Speaker, with all due respect, Mr. Speaker, with all due respect.
But you cannot ask the member to stop talking.
Mr. Speaker, we are supposed
you
to
can draw my attention to something, but you cannot ask the member to stop talking.
The member is speaking and they are making noise. I have every right to draw your attention to it. Mr. Speaker, to tell me that I'm not right, it's also not regular.
Order.
Please listen to her in silence.
Honourable members, order. Honourable members, order. Honourable Akurugu, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As the Minister rightly stated, the agricultural sector has seen a 6% growth, doubling that of last year. The progress is commendable and reflects the resilience of our farmers and growing impact of target interventions. Mr. Speaker, I was surprised to hear or listen to our former Minister for Finance. I don't know what he was saying, but Mr. Speaker, under his watch, the agricultural sector saw an emergency responses, whilst the current budget, which our Honourable Minister Atuforsen recorded, is being managed and structural reforms are being formed. the former government acted on emergency relief of 500 million to ease drought and food security, whilst Dr. Atuforsen is giving us a driving and a long-term structural reforms for agro growth. Mr. Speaker,
as your name be mentioned,
under the watch of our former minister, he focused on short-term
Honorable
fixes,
Amin,
credit
I'm avoiding
assets,
interruptions. So
exports,
if after her
export
debate
bans,
you want the floor,
basic
I'll give you the floor.
climate actions.
Just like what I did for
And
Adongo.
under our current finance minister, we are seeing pursuing comprehensive long-term reforms through broader financing, value chain development, climate-driven industrialization, and major infrastructure investment. Mr. Speaker, the 2024 budget under the former minister was appropriate for purposes stabilizing food security system during national emergency. Mr. Speaker, it was under his watch when we noticed that donkeys, fertilizers meant for farmers, were being exported and the monies used to buy lands for themselves.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, under the watch of Honorable Atuforsen, he is bringing bold, systematic, investment-driven, and transformational to the economy. It addresses the root causes of agriculture underperformance, builds sustainable value chains, and positions agriculture as a modern economic engine.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, the 2026 budget deserves commendation for shifting agriculture from survival competitiveness and from crisis management to national development. Mr. Speaker, I thank you for this opportunity. I am grateful.
Yes, Honorable Amin Adams.
And two is the excessive fiscal consolidation by the Ministry of Finance anchored on delayed payments and arrests just to let the books look good. Mr. Speaker, what do we say when we mean sterilization? Sterilization simply means that this government assumed that there was so much money in the pockets of the Ghanaian people and therefore decided to siphon all these monies back into the Bank of Ghana, depriving households of potential disposable income and increased consumption. This is what the minister did. Mr. Speaker, if we read the budget statement, paragraph 248, the minister states, and I quote, "To contain monetary policy expansion, the Bank of Ghana intensified open market operations in alignment with its disinflation objectives. Growth in net domestic assets was curtailed through enhanced stabilization and reductions in net claims on government." Mr. Speaker, this is so interesting. The minister states a total of 62 billion cedis was sterilized year on year through open market operations from Ghana. Mr. Speaker, what this effectively means is that 62 billion cedis that should have been available in the pockets of the ordinary Ghanaians for spending on the markets have been siphoned back to central bank by depriving the people that opportunity. Mr. Speaker, the interesting thing is that next month, December, Christmas is coming. And I can bet you, Mr. Speaker, that with this activity by the central bank, traders will just be sitting by their produce in the scorching sun of Okaishi Market, in the scorching sun of Kumasi Central Market, in the scorching sun of Makola and elsewhere. People will just be passing by without purchasing anything. Why? This is going to happen because 62 billion cedis that should have gone into the market, into the pockets of people, this government has siphoned all those monies back into the central bank because of sterilization. Mr. Speaker, traders are going to be worse off this Christmas, and that is going to have serious consequences on the economy. Mr. Speaker, come to think of it, has anybody thought about the fact why is it that we have single-digit inflation, yet there is food glut on the market? With many other commodities, people are not buying. Meanwhile, most of these goods, which are normal goods, have income elasticities of demand in the positive. And therefore, as income increases, people will buy. We are having single-digit inflation, and yet people are not buying because there is no money in the pockets of people. All of these monies have been siphoned through stabilization to the central bank. Mr. Speaker, the other thing that this government has done, which is also so dangerous, is the excessive fiscal consolidation. Mr. Speaker, this is what the minister calls fiscal discipline. Mr. Speaker, with all due respect, when your incompetencies combine with poor revenue measures and you are unable to execute your budget, you don't call that fiscal discipline. Rather, this is fiscal indiscipline. Whatever you presented to Parliament and was approved for you, you must spend it. If you don't spend, it is not discipline. That is indiscipline. And the minister should know that.